Thank you for your purchase of a Best Home Furnishings BeCozzi recliner. Before you can enjoy the soothing relaxation of the heat and massage features, follow these simple steps for a successful setup. Remove bags from the back and base, and locate the hardware package stapled to the back and underside of the seating base unit. Verify your hardware package includes cord extender, transformer, printed instructions. Attach the recliner back to the seating base unit by aligning the back clips with the mechanism male post. Slide together until they snap into place. Before attaching air lines together, take a damp rag and moisten the O-rings. This ensures an easier insertion of the connectors. Align the connections up and push them together. Find the wire labeled head and attach it to the DIN plug coming out the back. Find the wire for the heat pad coming out the back, which will have 2 pins. Attach it to the female end by pushing them together. Tighten the plastic nut, securing the 2 ends together. Enclose the back flap of the recliner by snapping both lower brass buttons. Proceed by pulling bottom back flap down, and connect sewn Velcro with the Velcro on the inside edge of the base frame. Using wires and transformer from hardware package, connect end of cord extender to transformer cord, ensuring clasp is closed. Locate the wire from the bottom of the seating base and connect to cord extender, ensuring clasp is closed. Plug cord into wall outlet. Enjoy your new Best Home Furnishings BeCozzi recliner.